Hey boys and girls, welcome back from spring break. I hope you all had a wonderful time relaxing, resting, hopefully getting some fresh air, and you are all ready to dive back into week 5 of e-learning. The first thing you probably noticed about Miss Rogers this morning is that I'm wearing my pajamas, and there is of course a reason for why I'm in my pajamas. It's going to be up to you to make an inference as to why I am wearing my pajamas for our week 5 e-learning video. Our reading skill of the week is making inferences. An inference is a reasonable conclusion that can be made and supported by readers using two different things. One being text evidence. If you know, this is my favorite thing about teaching ELA is finding text evidence and using text evidence to support things. So text evidence is the first thing we use to support an inference. Text evidence is of course information from literary or informational text that can be used to support ideas, claims, arguments, opinions, etc. The second thing we use to support inferences is our schema or our background knowledge. The reader's background knowledge on an event, topic, idea being discussed in the text. So you all build schema each and every day just by living through experiences. So the thing about inferences is we make them every single day without even recognizing it. We also make predictions. These are two separate skills that it's very important that we understand the difference between. So prediction is thinking what could happen next based on your prior knowledge, what has already happened, etc. That is not what we are looking to do today. Instead, we are looking to make an inference. We need to think, what did the author not say that I could still prove is true based on my reasonable text evidence and my background knowledge? Now that we have some schema or background knowledge on what making an inference means, we are going to play a game that I like to call Making an Inference with Miss Rogers. In order to play this game, you will need a piece of paper and a writing utensil. I will be reading a short story to you that I wrote myself in order for you to make an inference as to why Miss Rogers is wearing pajamas today. In order to prove that your inference can be true, you will have to locate one piece of text evidence from the story that you hear today, and you must also activate one piece of background knowledge or schema based on your previous experiences or the experiences that you're living through right now. The title of our text today is A New Routine by Miss Rogers. Beep, beep, beep. I jolted out of bed as I heard the sound of my ear-piercing alarm. How could it be time to wake up already? I thought as I made my way to the coffee maker. Today makes day 20 of e-learning. The days are beginning to mesh together. I want to be with my students, teaching them in our classroom, I said to myself, as if it was part of my new routine. Then it dawned on me. At least I can stay in my pajamas all day. No one will ever know behind the computer screen. It was in that moment that I found a simple pleasure in teaching from home. Boys and girls, I cannot wait to hear your inferences as to why I'm wearing my beautiful pajamas. I hope you had fun playing along with our game for e-learning today. Keep up the amazing work, and it is now time for me to go take my afternoon nap. See you later.